Want to create a video calling application? WebRTC is the way to go. What is WebRTC? WebRTC is a free and open source project created by Google which allows browsers and mobile applications to communicate in real time. So what can you do with this API? This API allows you to stream the user's video and audio over the internet to the other peer. Here are a few examples of applications which use WebRTC. So how does it work? Over here we have two PCs which are going to try to connect over an WebRTC connection. And as WebRTC is not 100% serverless, it needs a server for the first connection or the establishment of the connection. These servers are called signaling servers, and in our case we're going to be using Firebase. So before we continue, I would like you guys to know about a term. It's called Session Description Protocol. It is a set of data which contains the information about the media and the protocols which are being used. So let's continue. So the first computer creates an offer SDP, and once it's created, it sends it to our signaling server Firebase, and the second PC listens for it and gets it to its side. Then it creates an answer to the offer and sends it back to the Firebase. The first PC listens to it and gets the answer. So while this is being done, there's another term which I want you guys to know, which is called ICE candidates. It's actually not ICE, but it's another set of data which contains the information about your network over which the data has to be transferred. So ICE candidates are created and sent to the second computer, and then the second computer creates another ICE candidates and sends it to the first computer through the signaling server. And once all of this is done, the connection is established and no more Firebase is required, as the two browsers can communicate together. If all of this looks complex to you, we have an WebRTC library called EaseRTC, linked to the GitHub repo in the description, and you can also check out the videos on EaseRTC in our channel. So how was this video? Please leave your valuable comments and we will respond to them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.